wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Good morning, good morning. Breakfast is 2 cups of bones, Franken bones with almond milk, pure, and the Left Coast Performance MCT oil and collagen. Lunch is natural strawberry keto chow. See you then. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 37. I've lost over 78, almost 80 pounds on keto. I am almost to my 1-year keto-versary, which is November 1st. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. That is a thumbs up. Let me turn my windshield wipers off. It really helps my channel grow. It helps me get out into the YouTube universe and meet new amazing people like yourself in the comment section. So like, comment, subscribe, share, ring the bell. All right, so today I am having natural strawberry keto chow. Now, natural strawberry keto chow to me is not very good. So what I did to really pump up the volume with this and make it more sweet, because the natural strawberry is made with monk fruit from what I remember, and Aaron said it before and I've said it before too, like I need to use more monk fruit to get the sweetness that I could get from stevia. So I added another packet of monk fruit sweetener from Lakanto to my keto chow, as well as about 12 pineapple drops from Sweet Life Flavor Company into my keto chow, and a 4th cup of walnut oil, and about 4 to 5 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and the rest water. Let's give her a taste. Not my favorite at all, to be honest. It's not very good, but I'm gonna drink it. Who's calling me? Okay, so yeah, not my favorite, not very good. I'm gonna drink it anyways, but yeah, I gotta take a phone call. I'm at Goodwill. I gotta find a red dress for Tiffany. Well, I really hope that that was successful. I got a long sleeve thin sweater that if she doesn't use it, I will definitely keep for myself. And then I got this cute little red dress, which she's gonna be so cold in. I mean, I don't know what she's gonna do. She's gonna have to wear like a long sleeve shirt under it. She's gonna have to do something, like it's gonna be cold tomorrow, cold and rainy. But why am I waiting till the last day before Halloween to find a dress? Because I didn't have any money. And so I thought, where can I find this red dress? Where am I gonna find a red dress? And Goodwill. So they had not a lot of things, but this one, I mean, does it look like Peppa Pig's dress? Sort of. I don't know. I'll show you when I get home. So usually I do this at night, but I'm gonna do this in the daytime. I'm making my keto chow for tomorrow, so I am picking a flavor. I don't know what one I want. I think I'm gonna do mocha tomorrow. Do I? Or do I want to do eggnog? I think I'm gonna do mocha. So I'll show you how I make my keto chow. You see it? Okay. Temporarily stopped the dishwasher for this. So I have my 4th cup. I put my 4th cup of walnut oil in first, which I'm running, only got a couple of these left. What are you throwing a ball at my butt? Then put my Keto Chow in. Then I get my almond milk out. And I know where to go to about right there. And then I fill the rest up with water. Which it doesn't matter if it's hot or cold because it's going in the refrigerator for tomorrow morning or for tomorrow evening. Make sure the lid is on tight. And then, ooh, and then shake, shake, shake it. Make sure there's nothing sticking on the bottom. Nope, there's not. And it's ready. I'm just gonna put it in the refrigerator and I will enjoy it at lunchtime tomorrow. Guess who was #1 today? It was Journey to Healthy. Jess is amazing and you should check out her YouTube channel. Alright guys, this is dinner. I don't feel like eating the pork chops and the chicken that is cooked, so I made myself a like an antipasto salad. It's got some spinach and that butter lettuce. It's got salami and pepperoni and then Olive Garden Italian Parmesan dressing. And then this is 2 slices of the 3 net carb sola bread, 2 slices of pepper jack cheese. Oh, I'm sorry, I also put a slice of pepper jack cheese in here and some green olives. And 1 piece of ham, 3 pieces of salami, 3 pieces of pepperoni, mayo, and mustard. That's dinner tonight, guys. I am going to go ahead and call this night done. I'm sorry that the video is so short, but it's cold, it's rainy, and I kind of just want to edit and just relax for the night. So if anything pops up, I'll let you know, but other than that, close out the vlog, Linky.